Hello guys, I'm a new Rivals YouTuber. I will be playing Rivals and talking about how I cook the people I go against. I started off with a 192 overall player, but I'm used to cooking people that are 100 plus overall. I was playing around, then I started to lock in. Right here I hit a leg shot which wasn't that good, to be honest. I couldn't slide, so I had to lock in, so I will be quiet for a few secs. Right here I had to bait him into my trap. Right here I messed up. Don't judge me, we all mess up when it comes to Rivals. I locked in. I'm gonna cook him. I got a headshot. Did he just leave? Free win, I guess. I will update tomorrow.